week into the Russia-Ukraine conflict, and what we're seeing is that supporters are gathering online to raise funds for the people in Ukraine once it became clear that the traditional financial system of the country would not resist the Russian attack. The blockchain infrastructure of crypto allows for the removal of middlemen, banks in this case, and allows for individuals to transact directly peer-to-peer without any intermediary institutions. This is especially important for the people in this critical situation where banks are not accessible. In these situations, if people have access to the internet, they can access their crypto funds from mostly anywhere. If businesses accept crypto, then these individuals can pay for goods and services without the need of traditional payment rails or banking systems. A specific example was the appeals from the Ukrainian Vice Prime Minister on Twitter asking for donations. They set up Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polkadot, and Doge wallets. Doge, which is a cryptocurrency that's seen mostly as a joke by the industry, is also built on a blockchain, and as such is also being used to channel donations for the Ukrainian government. As far as cross-border usage goes, the blockchain infrastructure is global and digital in nature, holds no limits on jurisdictions or borders, and requires internet access as the only infrastructure requirement. This is a testament not only for the prices of cryptos, but more importantly to its utility as a peer-to-peer transactional infrastructure. Some examples of this are the over $33 million worth of donations in cryptocurrencies, the CryptoPunk NFT that was donated that's worth over $230,000, the Ukraine DAO that auctioned the national flag NFT that went for over 2,000 ETH or $6.5 million. All of this money is used to give citizens of Ukraine some degree of normality. So money can also be off-ramped, meaning it can be converted from crypto into regular money. So once a degree of normality is achieved and all the traditional financial systems are back up, people will be able to convert from crypto onto regular fiat and use the traditional systems. This will largely depend on the people, whether they will want to return to the old way or just stick with this new censorship-resistant way of handling their finances. One of the main impacts for crypto is that it retains one of the core values of human rights, the freedom to transact. While it's not as easy to use this as a simple credit card, these transactions clear in a matter of seconds, complete finality and transparency. That's because all of the data sits on public blockchains, and the resources moving from donor to recipient to further on can be audited using blockchain explorer tools. Russia can't use this to evade sanctions because this is public ledgers. The same way donors can track the destinations of their donations using these blockchain explorers, authorities can track sanctioned actors trying to circumvent limitations and identify potential off-ramping points for real-world action. It's not as easy to convert ruble into crypto as just few exchanges use it. It's even more difficult to do that in larger volumes because there is no liquidity in the market, and any larger volume would tip off the market that the operation is in progress. What we're learning from this is that crypto is an open source public data infrastructure for peer-to-peer transactions, that individuals can use it from mostly anywhere with internet access, that all the data is public and traceable by the market, that both donation recipients and malicious actors can be tracked with forensics tools. Once the financial system is restored, users can off-ramp their funds using crypto exchanges or services, and that crypto is playing a critical part in giving people some degree of normality in the middle of a military conflict.